Homeowners in Metairie know that comfort and energy efficiency go hand in hand. With long, humid summers and occasional chilly fronts in the cooler months, maintaining a consistent indoor temperature can be a challenge. If your current windows are outdated, drafty, or difficult to operate, upgrading to awning windows could make a noticeable difference in your home's performance and your monthly utility bills. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a protective, awning effect when open. This unique design offers several energy efficiency advantages that make them an excellent investment for homes in Metairie. Superior ventilation without sacrificing comfort. One of the standout benefits of awning windows is their ability to provide controlled ventilation. Because they open outward and upward, they can remain open even during light rain, allowing fresh air to circulate while keeping moisture out. For homeowners in Metairie, where humidity levels can rise quickly, this added airflow helps reduce indoor stuffiness and improves overall comfort. By allowing fresh air in during milder days, you can rely less on your HVAC system. Natural ventilation reduces the need for constant air conditioning, which can lead to noticeable energy savings over time. When your home can breathe efficiently, it stays cooler and more comfortable without overworking your cooling system. Tighter seals for reduced air leakage. Energy efficiency often comes down to one key factor: air leakage. Older windows can develop gaps, cracks, or weakened seals that allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to enter. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain your desired indoor temperature. Awning windows are known for their tight seal. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a strong, weather-resistant barrier. This design helps minimize drafts and reduces unwanted heat transfer. In a climate like Metairie's, where cooling costs can spike during the summer, a better seal means less energy loss and more consistent indoor temperatures. Enhanced insulation with modern glass options. Today's awning windows are available with advanced energy-efficient features such as double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and argon or krypton gas fills between panes. These features work together to reduce heat transfer, block harmful UV rays, and improve overall insulation. For homeowners in Metairie, this means your home stays cooler during hot months and more comfortable during cooler periods. Improved insulation also protects your furnishings, flooring, and decor from sun damage caused by prolonged UV exposure. Over time, the added insulation can significantly reduce the strain on your HVAC system and help extend its lifespan. Strategic placement for maximum efficiency. Awning windows are especially effective when installed higher on walls or paired with larger fixed windows. Their design allows rising warm air to escape, promoting better air circulation throughout the room. This natural airflow pattern can help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce reliance on mechanical cooling. In rooms where privacy and ventilation are both priorities, such as bathrooms or bedrooms, awning windows offer a smart solution. You can enjoy fresh air without compromising privacy or energy efficiency. When strategically placed, they contribute to a well-balanced, energy-conscious home design. Durable construction for long-term savings. Energy efficiency isn't just about glass, it's also about frame materials and long-term durability. High-quality awning windows are built with strong, low-maintenance materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames. These materials resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage, which is especially important in humid environments like Metairie. Durable construction ensures that your windows maintain their performance year after year. When seals remain intact and frames stay structurally sound, your home continues to benefit from optimal insulation and reduced energy loss. A smart investment in comfort and value. Installing awning windows is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in year-round comfort and efficiency. Lower energy bills, improved airflow, and enhanced insulation all contribute to a more enjoyable living environment. Additionally, energy-efficient windows can boost curb appeal and increase the overall value of your home. For homeowners in Metairie looking to reduce energy costs while improving comfort, Awning Windows offer a practical and attractive solution. With their tight seals, modern glass technology, and ventilation-friendly design, they deliver long-term performance you can feel every day.